The 2026 Atlantic hurricane season, June 1st to November 30th, is officially projected to feature below normal activity, a welcome shift from recent hyperactive years. Major forecasting agencies, including NOAA and Colorado State University, are predicting a quieter basin. Probability: NOAA places a 55% chance on a below-average season. Named storms 8 to 14 predicted. Average is 14. Hurricanes 3 to 6 predicted. Average is 7. Major hurricanes Category 3 plus 1 to 3 predicted. Average is 3. Two massive environmental forces are playing tug-of-war in the Atlantic this year, with one clearly winning out. A rapid transition from weak La Niña to a strong El Niño in the Pacific is the main reason for the quiet forecast. El Niño alters global atmospheric patterns, creating intense vertical wind shear across the Caribbean and Atlantic. These strong upper-level winds essentially rip developing storms apart before they can organize into powerful hurricanes. Countering El Niño's dampening effect are sea surface temperatures, which remain slightly warmer than historical averages across parts of the tropical Atlantic. Because warm water acts as premium fuel for tropical systems, any storm that manages to bypass the heavy wind shear will still have the thermodynamic energy to intensify quickly. Big changes to the cone of uncertainty. Even if fewer storms form, NOAA is fundamentally changing how it communicates risk to the public this year. The National Hurricane Center is rolling out a revamped forecast cone. Inland warnings. The graphic now displays all land-based tropical storm and hurricane watches and warnings right on the map, helping inland communities realize they are also at risk. New shading. The entire 5-day cone will use solid white shading instead of a dotted line for days 4 and 5. Experimental ellipses. A secondary experimental cone will use ellipses instead of rigid circles to capture roughly 90% of a storm's possible tracks, up from the traditional 67%, better communicating early forecast uncertainty. The golden rule. A below-normal season doesn't mean zero risk. It only takes one storm hitting a vulnerable coastline to make it a disastrous year.